Well, life happens, and sometimes you need to adjust your savings goals. Luckily, Trim lets you easily make changes to your savings goals whenever necessary. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your savings goals in Trim. So start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account. And then from the home screen, you're going to tap on the Savings or Goals section. You're going to see a list of your active savings goals. So go ahead and select the goal that you want to change. Once you're inside the goal, look for the option that says Edit Goals or Modify Goals, and then tap on that. Here you can change various aspects of your goals. You can change the goal name. You can update the name of your goal if it has shifted, like changing vacation funds to home renovation funds or whatever. You can go ahead and edit the name. You can also edit the target amount. So if your goal amount needs adjustment, whether you want to save more or less, you can simply update the target amount. You can also update the target date, so you can extend or shorten your deadline if things have changed. Just set a new target date that works better for you. You can also edit the automatic transfer. So if you've set up automatic transfer, you can adjust the amount or frequency of your contributions. After making the changes, just hit save to update your goal. Trim will now reflect your new settings and help you to stay on track with the updated goals. And that's it. You can easily change any of your savings goals whenever your plan evolves. Coming up next, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw savings from your Trim account. So check out that video if you're interested. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep optimizing your financial goal. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.